Summer Cool Mint Coaster. Learn to crochet it in 3 minutes. Yarn. Magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your little finger once and bring it up. Pass it over your index finger and down. Then wrap it around your middle finger once. Hold the crossover point with your thumb. Do not pull this loop too tight, or your crochet hook won't fit through. Insert the hook into the loop and pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through to make a chain stitch, also called a starting stitch, which does not count as a stitch. Remove the loop from your finger. Inside this loop, crochet a single crochet, SC. Insert the hook into the loop. Pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. This is one single crochet. Beginners should mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Crochet 8 single crochets in the loop, including the first one. After 8 stitches, mark the last stitch with a stitch marker. Tighten the loop by pulling the short end of the yarn until there's no gap in the center. Slip stitch into the first stitch, the one with the marker, to join the round. Pull the yarn through and then through the loop on the hook. This slip stitch does not count as a stitch, so pull it tight. Round 2. Start with 1 chain stitch. In the first stitch, marked with red, crochet 1 single crochet. Beginners should mark the first and last stitches of each round. Next, crochet 7 chain stitches. CH. This completes 1 set. Repeat this pattern 8 times. In the next stitch, crochet 1 single crochet, followed by 7 chain stitches. For the last set of 7 chain stitches, crochet 3 chain stitches. Then replace the remaining 4 with a treble crochet, TR, to ease the next round's work. Treble crochet, TR, demo. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the first stitch. This acts as a slip stitch join. Pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Repeat twice more until 1 loop remains. Round 3. Crochet 3 chain stitches. Counts as the first double crochet. DC. Beginners should mark the 3rd chain stitch as the first stitch. In the chain space, crochet 1 double crochet. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the space. Pull the yarn through. Adjust the height to match the 3 chain stitches. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then repeat. In the same space, crochet 3 more double crochets. These 4 double crochets, plus the initial 3 chain stitches, make 5 stitches in total. Crochet 5 chain stitches. This completes the first set. Repeat this pattern in each chain space. 5 double crochets, followed by 5 chain stitches. For the last set of 5 chain stitches, crochet 2 chain stitches. Then replace the remaining 3 with a double crochet worked directly into the first stitch. Round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. In the chain space, crochet 1 single crochet. Crochet 5 chain stitches. In the middle stitch of the 5 double crochets, the 3rd one, crochet 1 single crochet. Crochet 7 chain stitches. Then slip stitch into the next 2 strands to make a picot. Crochet 5 chain stitches. This completes the first set. Repeat the pattern. In the next chain space, crochet 1 single crochet, 5 chain stitches, a single crochet in the middle double crochet, a 7-chain picot, and 5 chain stitches. For the last set, crochet 2 chain stitches, then replace the remaining 3 with a double crochet worked into the first single crochet, round 5. Start with 1 chain stitch. In the same chain space, crochet 1 single crochet. Crochet 5 chain stitches. And the next chain space, crochet 1 single crochet, then 5 chain stitches. Repeat this pattern for 8 sets. For the last set, crochet 2 chain stitches, then replace the remaining 3 with a double crochet worked into the first single crochet, round 6. Start with 1 chain stitch. In the chain space, crochet 1 single crochet. In the next chain space, crochet 9 double crochets. After the 9 double crochets, crochet 1 single crochet in the next chain space, followed by 5 chain stitches. Repeat this pattern. In the next chain space, crochet 1 single crochet, then 9 double crochets in the following space. End with a single crochet and 5 chain stitches. For the last set, crochet 2 chain stitches, then replace the remaining 3 with a double crochet worked into the first single crochet, round 7. Start with 1 chain stitch. In the chain space, crochet 1 single crochet. Crochet 3 chain stitches. Next, crochet a cluster stitch in the third stitch of the 9 double crochets. Crochet 1 unfinished double crochet. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the stitch. Pull the yarn through to match the height of the previous row's double crochets. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat twice more in the same stitch. Then, yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook to complete the cluster stitch. Crochet 3 chain stitches, skip 1 stitch, and crochet another cluster stitch in the next stitch. Ensure the unfinished stitches match the first cluster stitch in length. Crochet a 3-stitch picot. Crochet 3 chain stitches, then slip stitch into the next 4 strands. Crochet 3 chain stitches, skip 1 stitch, and crochet another cluster stitch in the next stitch. Crochet 3 chain stitches. This completes the first set. Repeat the pattern for 8 sets. Finish by slipping stitching into the first single crochet, chaining 1, and cutting the yarn. Weave in the ends with a tapestry needle, hiding them under 6 to 7 stitches on the back. The starting tail can be trimmed if already woven in during crocheting. The coaster may appear slightly wrinkled. You can iron it lightly or flatten it under a heavy object. Done.